Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the first Descendant game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after logging in you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search box and now just type in the first Descendant to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age. And now from this page, scroll down and click on the Add to Library button. This will then add the game to your collection. After this, you can click on the Play Now or the Play Game button to start the installation of the game. Just choose your install location and click on the Install button, and then wait until the process is completed. Once it is done, you can open up the game and start enjoying the first Descendant game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the first Descendant game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.